All right, happy Tuesday. So I just finished up my first call, which was a tire service. I'm on my way to a lockout, and then I have a jump start waiting. So yeah, that's not bad. I've got them stacked up already in the first 30 minutes of my shift. So that's a good start to the day. Okay, so I just finished that Ford Flex. That was tough. The doors, like, the frame and everything is very angular, like a lot of right angles. Most doors, it's more like curves, and so it's really easy to get the airbag in there. I mean, usually you just walk right up and they slide right in. But on that Ford Flex, that was a challenge. And of course, all the trim, both on the top and the bottom of the door frame, was all just plastic that was snapped in. And so I had to be really, really careful getting my airbag in there. And then I had to open up a pretty decent sized gap because of those angles, those right angles, to get my tool in there. So yeah, that was definitely a tough one. But when I got it open, the door closed, flush as usual, so no damage done. And we got them in there. But yeah, sometimes you just have to take it slow and take the extra time. Okay, so right now I'm heading to a jump start, and then I have another lockout after that. So that'll be call number 3 and 4 today. All right, so I stopped to check on this gentleman, and he's out of gas. He's trying to call his insurance company, but he has no cash, and he doesn't have a credit card. So he's basically like, sorry man, I can't pay you. So that's unfortunate, but that's how it goes sometimes. So how does one do this? Yeah, I don't know. The speed limit here is 50. So that's something. Yeah, that thing rolled real good. Hopefully everybody's okay. Oof. right, so I've got the Colorado Department of Transportation Safety Service Patrol right behind me. I don't know if you can see him right there. So I'm pretty sure that's Jason. We stop for each other all the time. You know, if he sees me changing a tire on the side of the highway, you know, he'll stop and turn on his lights, and I do the same for him. So good guy. I just happened to come onto the ramp right in front of him, and he slowed down to give me some space. So it worked out. Okay, so I'm heading home, end of my 6-hour shift. It's 3 o'clock, and I ended up with 6 services for the day. So 5 insurance company responses, and then 1 full retail, somebody that I just happened upon. Actually, I saw him on Waze. So I was sitting in a shopping center, and it popped up as a disabled vehicle nearby, and I just decided to go check it out, and sure enough, it was a customer that needed someone to change a tire for him on a full-size truck. So that worked out well. So, like I said, ended up with 6 for the day. Having a full retail is nice because you get to set your own rates for full retail. And so my rates are about 2.5 times what I get from insurance company calls. So that makes it nice. Made up for a very slow day. My typical is like 8 to 12 in 6 hours. So doing only 6 today, you know, having that full retail makes up for it a little bit. So it worked out. All right, well, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.